Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am participating in the Summer Sweets collab hosted by Sonia from MultifacettedMe, Cindy from Create with Cindy, and Elle from Easy Living with Elle. This is the final part of a 3-part series. Then they have asked us to create our favorite sweets for the summer. So I will be leaving their channel links in the description box below. Please go over to all their channels and watch their videos. And also, don't forget to watch the playlist of all the participants that are participating in this collab. I want to thank you again for watching. I want to say be blessed, everyone. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so today's video, I will be sharing with my precious granddaughter a recipe that not I make, but she makes. So we decided to share with you her fried Oreos that's made like in the Carnival. She has got this recipe from off the internet, but she has added her own little touch to it. So we're gonna go over the ingredients and I'm gonna let her take it over and she's gonna share with you the ingredients and how to make this recipe. Say hi, Chanel. This is Chanel. So she really does this recipe. We taste it, it's delicious, and I hope some of you try it and let me know if you try it. So let's get started, Chanel.
Okay, so first up, the pancake mix. The best part, it needs to make it thick. They asked for 1 cup, but I always add extra because it's super thin when you do that, so you need more. Vegetable oil, depending on how big your fryer is, depends on how much oil you put in, because we have a line and you can't go over it, and that's what we put in. We has soy milk, because we use soy milk instead of regular milk in here, so 1 egg, teaspoon of 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. That's what we put into the pancake mix. And the recipe calls not for vanilla, and we need vanilla, so I put in just a little bit of vanilla. And after it's all done, you put in powdered sugar. And the most important, the Oreo itself. So first up, you must put in the cup of pancake mix.
Use the spatula, it's okay. Just use the spatula. It had a little bit of water on it, but you're going to redo it with your thickness anyway. So if you want to use the spatula a little bit, just to get the rest of it out, yeah, because it had a little drop of water on. There you go.
Next we put in the milk. Now we put in the egg. Vegetable oil. And vanilla. And then after that, you whisk it together until it is fully combined.
Now the recipe calls for 1 cup of pancake mix, but she said that she added extra because it wasn't thick enough to really cover it or, you know, make it stick to the Oreos. So she's gonna add extra, and she don't know exactly how much. She kind of goes by the feel of it.
So we've finished whisking it. Now as you can see, it's not sticking to the whisk, so it's not going to stick to the Oreo. So we need to add more pancakes. Should be enough for now. Whisk it again.
So maybe you could show us how thick after you get it to your likeness.
This looks about good. It should be semi-sticking, sometimes drooping, but it shouldn't come out completely clean like it did.
So this is the thickness that she said it should have, a little thicker. I don't know if she added an extra half or more, another half a cup or maybe a cup.
It looks like I put in about a third a cup to a fourth extra.
About a third cup more flour. And we're going to put the recipe in the description box.
And then after this, you must put the vegetable oil in the fryer, up to the line. Okay, so while this is about to finish heating up, we need to start putting the mix onto the Oreos so it's ready for when the oil is done heating up. So first we need to put this in here. Not all of it, just enough to be spread onto the Oreos. You always want to put a little extra. And then you get your Oreos. Please open. I don't have time for this. You get your beautiful Oreos. You don't overcrowd it, but just put enough to fill it. So we're gonna put one in first, 2, 3. Now I normally have 2 of these, 1 of them to flip them over and 1 to take them out. So I'm gonna use this one, flip them over. Make sure that it's on there. So once you do that, you get.
Now explain to them about why you're gonna put it in the oil first.
Because it will get stuck on there because this is wet, and once it fries, it will fry onto the metal.
So I just removed everything out of the way, and she's gonna start dipping the Oreos in the deep fryer. Yeah, push it a little closer to it. A little closer. You can push that pan a little bit closer so it won't drip so far. Not touching, okay.
Now, while that fries, we can start flipping over the next 3. Now we got the family pack, so we're obviously not going to use all of it. Flip this over. Flipping a little fast there. So now when you see this, gotta kind of flip them over. Yeah. They're nice and crispy and brown and beautiful and tasty. So it looks like they should be done now.
So it looks like they don't take long.
Really
Once the grease is hot, it's slightly brown.
And the oil comes out completely clean after, so you can reuse it. Gonna have to put more batter in after this one. Needs to add more.
Now she does a lot of baking around here. She likes to bake and she likes to help me bake. And they decided to do this on their own, her or mom. I just did the tasting. We have to try this with fried pickles.
Fried pickles, though, we might want to have it thinner than this. Because you gotta make sure that the chocolate doesn't come gushing out. Not ready yet.
That's a happy one. That's a happy cook.
The cook that knows that they're gonna eat it after. Put some pepper sugar. Should be done now. Oof.
Okay, so we just gonna keep on frying and we're gonna come back when it is all fried up.
Okay, so after they're done draining into the paper towel, you want to put some powdered sugar on top because you need sugar. It's not a fair without the powdered sugar, is it? Now, after you do this, you are done. Now, time to enjoy.
Well, I'm gonna come over there and taste it with you, Chanel.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
So good. Inside of that.
Now, I have cut back on my sweets, but I'm tasting this today. Very, very good. You have to try this. You have to try this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and join the Deals with Lady P family. I would love to have you. And I want to thank you for watching so much. And I want to thank Sonia. And I want to thank Cindy. And I want to thank Elle for hosting this collaboration. Thank you all. And you all be blessed. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye-bye. Bye.